You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, or this phrase, I should say, from French. If you want to learn more French vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. Bon weekend. This is how you would say to somebody, have a nice weekend. Bon meaning good. Weekend is how we say weekend in French, so similar to weekend, really. Weekend. Bon weekend is how you say, how you greet somebody to have a nice weekend in French. Bon weekend. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.